Hi, my STEM project is a virtual field trip around the school with Google Maps. I would like to take the kids and have them learn how to tour the school grounds using Google Maps. We would take the student on a virtual field trip around the school using Google Maps and Street Views and have them point out points of interest. Allow the student to verbally explore and help navigate through the Google Street View. We have many different areas in our school. We actually have a wooded area that's been laid out with paths for the track team. We have a soccer field, playground, baseball field, swimming pool. So we have a lot of areas that the students could explore. So we're going to show the students how to hand draw a map. I will first show the children how I drew a map of my childhood school. And I would point out a few key places that I really liked and explain to them why. And I would allow the kids to ask questions about the map, why I drew it the way I did, and so on. I'm going to allow the children to get familiar with Google Maps for at least about 10 minutes, let them see the different features. And then we're going to have them list places of interest of the school grounds where they'd like to visit and maybe explore a little more. So the students' instructions will be to use the Google Maps to navigate around the school grounds, and they're going to use that as a source for drawing their own maps. I'm going to direct the students to draw a map of the school grounds, encourage them to highlight their favorite places to play and places they found the most interesting. So their instruction will be to use what they have experienced on Google Maps to draw their image of our grounds. And their final part will be sharing. The student will be in front of the classroom and they will share with their classmates the stuff they've learned, what they enjoyed about it, why something was interesting to them, what they found. This will allow them to give input on what they like and maybe what can be added to the lesson for future classes. So they're going to be instructed to stand and share with their classmates and share about their experience. The supplies they will need will be a Google Chromebook, fully charged, Google Maps installed on it, a couple of sheets of paper, highlighters. I forgot to add pencil. I hope this will be a learning experience for them and that they will enjoy it. Thank you.